Everyone, before I start this video, I just wanted to point out some things first. I did have some audio difficulties throughout the video, and I have some captions. Mobile might not be able to show them, but everyone on PC might be able to see them, and I deeply apologize about the delay in the video. Thank you. Hi everyone, Chii here. Welcome back. Today I have a squishy collection video in collaboration with AGKraftyKatProductions. I will try and do what I can without repeating because I do have a lot of the similar squishies, kind of like blush buns and panda buns and whatnot. So I'll try to keep it as limited as possible for now. So first I'll start out with, right here, I have one of these color changing turtles. A little defected, but it was a good price. It's really squishy, pretty slow rising for such a small squishy. Next I've got this big jumbo plush bun. Cute. Next I've got this Eclair. If these look familiar, these are from my last video, and they are the first ones to pop up. I also got this rice cracker. This little pink bun from Silly Squishies. A fat cat cracker. And this little face bun. Next I've got these, they're kind of stress ball-ish material, but they are, if you're familiar with the anime Bobobo, this is Don Patch. They're little stress balls. I still think they're squishies. Really cute too. These also look familiar if you've seen my One Piece squishy collection. My Frankie squish. Time Skip Frankie. Luffy coin. Brooke coin. My Eustace. And my other Frankie coin. My Chopper and Sanji. Next, I've got this really cute strawberry squishy. It's really slow rising. Got this also this Pum Pum Purin. It's defected. It has like a little mark at the top, but so super squishy. I have a lot of Daiso buns. So I'm sorry if my audio goes out at some points in the video. I'm saving up for a new system to record with, but I cannot quite get it at the moment. And I've got this Hello Kitty, Drumbo Hello Kitty cupcake. I've got these 3 cake rolls. I'm not entirely sure what brand they are. I bought them unbranded, secondhand. They're really squishy, a little bit slow rising, and they do smell really good though. Next, I've got this big Rilakkuma toast. It's really squishy and really slow rising. It does have a little defect right here, but that's from all the squishing I've given it. Next, I've got this jumbo pancake from Kunimaru. If you want to see it out of its packaging, please check out my Silly Squishy video. Also, I'm sorry if you see my hair poking through the top of the video. I'm looking over my laptop. Ooh, next thing, one of my favorite squishies is my Gengar squishy, vintage Gengar squishy. I'd like to note that if there is any interest, some of my squishies might be for sale, but most definitely not my Pokemon squishies. If you're ever curious, anyone's curious, just ask in the comments below and let me know. I've got this Perry squishy, black and white Perry squishy. My Ariti mango squishy, out of packaging now. This right here is my first squishy. My oh so loving and caring boyfriend bought this for me. It is still so squishy and so cute, and I love it. Next I've got this little pink bow panda. I've got them in little packages because I really don't like to touch them and get them all funky. And this little toast. It's really slow rising and squishy for Next I've got is this I Bloom Mini Pearl Peach. It used to be really defected, but I kind of glued it back to its original shape. Not perfect because it still has the lines, but it used to be a lot worse than this. Next I've got this Taiyaki. It's really slow rising. Next I've got these little marshmallows. The more stress ball material, but they're still really absolutely adorable. Next I've got this big jumbo peach. I also want to add, if there's anything you would all want me to supply that I could possibly supply that you see in my video, please ask and I will do my best. Next is this little donut that I got in a trade. Next is this apple squishy, green apple squishy. Next I've got my seafood squishies. If you guys would like to see more of these, please check out my first video where I take them out and show them more in detail. Next I've got is this lip balm squishy. It's like a little keychain squishy in the top. And then it has the lip balm at the bottom. I haven't used it because it smells horrendous, but it's still really cute. Next I've got is this apple squishy. And next I've got this sliced cake squishy, if you can see it. I put it in packaging so that it doesn't get even more ripped and broken than it is, and I might not take it out. Next I've got is this other jumbo peach. Not as slow rising as the first one, but still really nice. And next is this other defected smaller peach. Next I've got is this jumbo panda bun in packaging. Well, packaging that I made to keep my squishies safe. Next I've got is a full set of Shopkins squishies. This is the cookie, the apple, the donut, and the chocolate. Next is this little red fish. Next I've got is this little pumpkin. It says Happy Halloween on the back, and it has a little jack-o'-lantern face on the front. Next I've got this brain squishy. Not technically a squishy, it has like clay on the inside. Kind of like the mochi squishies. It's really nice to actually squish. Next I've got these defected golden apples. I know I did sell these, but I kept one for myself just for collection's sake. I've got another cake slice. Here's the yellow cake slice. It's not as slow rising as the other one, but it's so cute. And I've got this Lucille Patissier cream puff. If you want to see this out of packaging, please check out one of my Mercari videos, my Mercari package opening video, the second one I believe, and I unboxed those. Next I've got is this My Melody cake. This Hello Kitty cake roll. This little bear cake roll. And this Hello Kitty bread. It's really shiny. Next is this homemade dipped banana squishy I made. This was like one of my, oh, it got stuck to another thing, so it's got a little bit of green here, but this was my first one that I ever made. It was really, really squishy and slow rising. Next I've got is this red bow panda bun. This tongue out panda bun. This pink tongue out panda bun. These Creatology donut squishies. And this Creatology waffle squishy. And the macaroon. They're really, really squishy, but they're not very slow rising at all. This remint, oh, sorry, I didn't notice that my laptop had fallen. Crush ball. This is the basketball one. This little defected ice cream squishy. This cat donut. These sports ball squishies. Another peach squishy. Another um, and it I've also got this oh, same with this Mount Fuji squishy with little smiley face. Yeah, it wasn't and it looks a lot this baseball crush ball. And this soccer crush ball. Here's the football crush ball. Sorry, it fell. Football. I've got and this um this hey this this a croissant. This strawberry Rilakkuma. This Rilakkuma with white filling. Another remint Hello Kitty dumpling. This defected Epoch squishy or squeeze toy. Like the filling came out. And this is a defected cornet Epoch squeeze toy. You can see it's this Rilakkuma shortcake. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to check out AGKraftyKatProductions. Don't forget to leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.